Apache Spark is a powerful open-source distributed computing system designed for big data processing. It provides high-speed data processing capabilities with an easy-to-use programming model. Key components include resilient distributed datasets, DataFrames, Spark SQL, streaming, and machine learning libraries. This series focuses on essential interview questions and concepts related to Apache Spark. Resilient distributed datasets, or RDDs, are the fundamental data structure in Spark. They are immutable collections of objects partitioned across many nodes, enabling fault tolerance through lineage tracking. RDDs support in-memory computation for fast processing. DataFrames are a higher-level abstraction, similar to tables in a database, organized with columns and schema. They support SQL queries and are optimized by Spark's Catalyst Query Optimizer for efficient execution. Spark SQL allows querying structured data using standard SQL syntax. It integrates with the Hive metastore and supports both the DataFrame API and SQL queries. Spark SQL leverages the Catalyst Optimizer for efficient query planning. Spark Streaming handles real-time data processing through a microbatch model. It supports windowed computations and can integrate with data sources such as Kafka and Flume to process continuous data streams. MLlib is Spark's scalable machine learning library that includes algorithms for classification, regression, and clustering. It is built on top of both RDDs and DataFrames and supports seamless integration with Spark pipelines. Optimizing Spark workflows involves choosing DataFrames or datasets over RDDs, caching intermediate results, optimizing shuffles and partitioning, and taking advantage of Spark's Tungsten execution engine and Catalyst Query Optimizer to boost performance. A Spark cluster consists of a driver that coordinates the application, executors that perform tasks and store data, and a cluster manager that handles resource allocation. Cluster managers include Yarn, Mesos, or Spark standalone mode. Spark can be deployed in client mode, where the driver runs on the client machine, or in cluster mode, where the driver runs inside the cluster. Deployment flexibility allows Spark to run on various cluster setups. RDDs provide a low-level programming interface with no enforced schema, giving developers fine control over data and transformations. DataFrames are a higher-level abstraction that are schema-aware, enabling Spark to optimize execution through query planning. DataFrames integrate well with SQL and provide better performance compared to RDDs. For most workloads, using DataFrames or datasets is recommended to benefit from Spark's optimizations. In PySpark, RDDs can be created in multiple ways. One common method is to parallelize an existing collection, such as a list. Another way is loading data from text files stored in distributed systems like HDFS. Once created, RDDs can be transformed or acted upon using a variety of functional operations provided by Spark. Using PySpark, DataFrames are created through a Spark session. You can create a DataFrame from a list of tuples along with column names. DataFrames support powerful operations and actions, including running SQL queries and displaying data in tabular form. Their schema awareness and optimization features make them a preferred choice for working with structured data. Spark SQL allows running SQL queries on DataFrames by registering them as temporary views. You can perform selection and filtering operations using familiar SQL syntax. This integration simplifies querying and manipulating structured data while benefiting from Spark's optimization features. Spark Streaming enables real-time data processing by dividing continuous data streams into small batches. In this example, data is read from a socket and processed every 5 seconds. Each batch undergoes word count operations, providing a running tally of word occurrences. Streaming contexts manage the lifecycle of streaming applications, starting and waiting for termination.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.